So I introduce to the world Cheryl. I hope everybody's doing well. Hope everybody's doing awesome this holiday season. You know, if you don't celebrate holidays, just enjoy today. You know, your days on this planet. Or if you're going to be going to Mars soon with Elon Musk, then on Mars. Enjoy your time on Mars. You know, whatever. I'm cool with it. What do you want to do? But if you guys been following along my previous videos, you know, I went up to Georgia to check out the project truck. That failed on me hardcore. It was too much of a project. Guy was cool, really nice and everything. I did record it, but he said, nope, no camera for him. So he's not going to be on YouTube. No worries, nothing but respect for the guy. He was cool. Project was a little more than I wanted to take on. And I had that ding-ding idea that, ooh, I have not actually taken the time to show you the project I actually have here already. She is beautiful. And she is not mine. This car actually belongs to my wife, and I did not build it. Her father did. He's an awesome body man. He did a fantastic job with this thing. And it runs, it drives. It's got a few little things, but to be honest, project cars always do, no matter what you do. But this car was built with love. Every nut and bolt on this car was redone, is new. Most 99% of the sheet metal on this is original to the car. I don't care who, if you're in the cars or not, you see this drive by and it's turning your head. Male, female, and everything in between nowadays. It just looks good. And I actually don't like red cars. He freaking nailed this thing. Under the hood, she's sporting a 327 cubic inch Chevy motor with a 700 CFM carb, long tube headers, and 3-inch exhaust. Going into Flowmaster mufflers. She sounds so good. She has a nice big cam, so it has a nice sound to her. Dance is done alright. It's been lowered down in the front a little bit, add nice balance. A few modern upgrades, LED tail lights, Wood disc brakes all the way around, power steering, power brakes. A lot of the modern amenities to make it safer to drive. Now this car isn't sporting a whole lot of horsepower. See the pants dyno, we're going to say about 300 horsepower at the rear wheel. So she's due for a few upgrades. When it comes to upgrades to this car, my hands are tied. There's only so much I can do with this because it's my wife's car. Now she loves muscle cars, but she is not a 700 horsepower kind of gal. She likes to kind of go for cruise, have a little bit of oomph when you hit the pedal. She wants to really feel it, but not have tires break loose and things like that. So I got to keep it a little more tame for her, which is fine. Because it's still a fun car. It's definitely an experience to drive a car like this. If you've never driven an old school muscle car without all the modern electronics and thing in it, definitely do that. You know somebody who's in the cars and has something like that, go have a chat with them and see if they'll let you drive it, because it's definitely an experience if you've never done that. So one of the first upgrades I'm going to be doing to this car is a little more drivability. So we are going to go fuel injected. Wife is scared to death of carburetors. She's seen too many carburetor backfires, so yeah. Thank you, Holly. Not sponsored in any way. They didn't give this to me. I had to buy this thing. But I've been super excited to do one of these kits for a while. I've wanted to put one of these on an engine for a long time. I am a fuel injection kind of guy. I'm not against carburetors. I'm okay with them. I know how to work on them. I can rebuild them. I can tune them. I prefer fuel injection. Sorry. If you have different thoughts about it, put in the comments below. I want to see, why would you prefer a carburetor fuel injection or the other way around? Yeah? Tell me. I want to see it. I want to see it in the comments. If you didn't put it there, it didn't happen. A few other maintenance things to do while I'm down there. I'm hoping to get a nice performance boost out of the intake manifold and the fuel injection kit. Right now she's running pretty rich, but that could be because the plugs are probably fouled out. It's been sitting for a while. It definitely runs very rich. And I'm pretty sure the timing is not optimized, so I'm going to make sure the Holley Sniper unit actually controls my timing as well. Be sure to subscribe for all that, guys, because in order to see that, you're going to have to be subscribed to catch all those videos. And also, in my hunts of finding a project car, I happen to find this. Oh yeah, I know, it's blurred out. You know what you got to do. If you want to see what that is, and it's exciting, you're going to have to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you guys can see what it is. But thanks for watching, everybody. Get working on your projects. You watch this video, get out there, go do it, knock it out, get her done. Until next time, peace.